Welcome to Virtual Office Training. Today we will learn how to convert text into column. Let's see how can we do that. Here is a full name. There are some names and we have to separate first name and last name. We first this is a first name and this is a last name. Now select all the full name and go to the data menu and select text to column. Delimited characters such as commas and tabs separate each field. Click next, and here is a space between two name, first name and last name. There is a space. Check the space and click next and finish. Press OK. It is very simple. You can separate first name and last name very easily in Excel. See you next lecture.